guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You've guessed it. I forgot something. So last year when I went to Japan, we all know I bought a lot of stuff. We've seen all the hauls, and yet here we are with one more. We thought the last one was the last, but alas, it is not. When I was cleaning my room to film the room tour for you guys, also thank you for the lovely comments. You guys are freaking amazing. I found the bag of clothes that I bought from a sample sale at WC while I was in Japan last year, and I was looking through my YouTube videos and I have not filmed it for you guys yet. So I thought before putting them away, I would share a little bit of fashion love with you guys. So that is why we are here today. We're just gonna get right on in. Alright, so I have my big WC bag here. I don't know how this was not physically visible to my eye holes, but it was just sitting in a corner with literally like a bunch of clothes in it. And it made me wonder because I'd been looking for some of these. I'm like, I swear I have this shirt. Here they are. The first thing I'm going to start off with is this super cute baseball hat. I don't often wear hats. However, I've actually been wearing this one recently. It has been my go-to hat. It has 3 little daisies on it, which I thought were so freaking cute. It's got just the snapback classic kind of hat, and it looks so adorable. It's like a baby blue. It is so precious. I love it. It keeps my noggin away from the sun. I don't know what else hats really do, but yes, love this hat, very cute. Keeping on that 3 daisy thing, I also saw this shirt, which I thought, hey, I can wear it with the hat and it'll kind of match, is this top that's pink with 3 daisies on it. If you didn't know, daisies are my favorite flower and I love them. But this is just so cute, and it's just like such a simple top, I feel like. It's just, it can kind of go with anything. You can layer it, you can wear it just as is. It's just really cute and I think it's adorable. And like this with the hat, so good. Keeping along with that plain kind of shirt thing, I have this super cute lavender shirt which I wore on the very last day I was in Japan because I wasn't feeling well and I just needed something comfortable. Lavender shirt with like a little peach drink on it, which I thought was super cute with just the collar, just something plain, you know? I can wear this with shorts and just live my best life. It's super plain. It's like still feeling cute and pastel and summery, but comfortable and simple. And you know, not everything needs to be super over the top all the time. So I thought this was super cute, and I'm sorry it's super wrinkly, but again, this has all been in a bag for like a year, which is terrible. Anyways, it's super cute. The next item is this super cute strawberry milk bag, and I knew I had a strawberry milk bag that I'd been looking for. And then what happened? I couldn't find this. I proceeded to purchase 2 others that are sitting up there. I'll put a picture in of my other strawberry milk bags. This is going up there with them. But this one, however, is different. It's flat, so it is a completely flat purse. However, this actually might be more convenient than my other 2 because of the shape that they are. It's hard to put things in, whereas this I feel like you need to slide things in. Looks big enough for my phone. And yeah. I'm not really sure what the sample sale entailed, whether it be like ones that were kind of crappy, because this does have a few little marks on it. Then again, it was crazy. Like, girls have claws, okay? They were fierce. They were getting their sample sale, let me tell you. The next item I have is this actually black skirt. Black, oh my gosh, it's not pastel, but I love it and I thought it's cute. I actually have this skirt in pink as well, and then I tried to get it in purple the other day, like online, but they don't have it in stock at the moment, so I'm a little shook. Maybe they'll bring it back for the summer because this is just such a cute skirt. I've been really into pencil skirts, which is really funny because I feel like, you know, in the kawaii community, tennis skirts, tennis skirts, pleated skirts, that's all you see. But I really love this skirt, and I love the one that I have in pink, and I really want it in lavender. But the reason is, I'm like, this part has a little heart on it, and it does unzip all the way, so careful when you're unzipping. But they're just so cute. It has pockets. However, this attracts lint so crazy. I mean, like, just from sitting in the bag, I'm gonna have some issues with it. But I love this skirt. I think it's so cute. And like having things in Having things in multiple colors of the same thing, am I the only one that does that? Like, I have a sweater that I love in 3 different colors. I don't know. I like it. You know, if you like it, you get it in different colors. So I got it in different colors. Speaking of items in different colors, I have these 2, look at that, pleated skirts. I'll show the pink one first. This skirt, which has 3 red hearts down one of the pleats, which I thought was so cute, reminded me very much of Valentine's Day. This was a sample sale, so it was like super, super cheap. But I have this one here. It's got stretchy on the back, and then I have a purple one with pink hearts on one of the pleats. I just thought that these were so cute. Look at the little hearts. They're so adorable. I love pleated skirts too, so like I can't complain. I will always wear pleated skirts. But like nice stretch. They are skirts, which I love. But I think what really sold me was the hearts, and I couldn't actually decide which one I wanted more, the pink or the purple, so I got both at the time. But they are super, super cute. Where's the hearts on this one? There it is. So cute! Valentine's Day and lavender Valentine's Day. They're so cute. I love them. The next item is this type of like very light chiffon type-esque blouse. It is super cute. I actually saw it hanging up in the sample sale and I'm like, no one's grabbed it, it's mine. It's so cute. It is like a quarter sleeve length. It comes to about here, but it is just so cute. It's like a baby pink, more on the rosy side, so not like the bubblegummy pink, but the rose, more like the peachy side. And it has got this beautiful lavender like frilly trim along with the lavender collar there. It's so cute. It is very see-through. I can already tell that. I mean, like, I haven't seen these in pretty much a year because they've been in a bag. But it's got the little back part there. This is just so cute. I can't wait to wear this over the summer now that I've found them again. Coincidence? Well, I mean, I did buy them. But anyways, this is super, super cute. I am very excited to start wearing this over the summer because it is adorable. Keeping up with the blouse theme, we have this super cute strawberry blouse, which I actually think, hold on, I have shoes that match this. They match. It's really funny because I remember in Japan I found these at a completely different store than WC, and that is the exact, like literally the exact same pattern. I am very excited to wear this as an outfit. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that because I couldn't remember where I'd put anything. But this is so freaking cute. I can't wait to wear my strawberry blouse, my strawberry shoes. I have been on a very fruity pattern obsession recently, whether that be mostly strawberries, but just fruit in general. I am starting making polymer clay jewelry, which has been very, very fun. And of course, I've been making some fruity earrings, so stay tuned to start seeing those in videos. But this is super cute. It does have like a big kind of like anime schoolgirl flap in the back. I know there's a name for that, so if you know the name for that type of thing, please leave it in the comments because I know I'm not saying it right. But you know, it's like a fluffy collar and I love it and it's super cute. So I'm very excited to start wearing some strawberry patterns. Alright, so this last item is probably my favorite thing that I got from the sample sale haul, and that is this purple plaid and pink dress. It is so cute. I wore this on the day I visited the Studio Ghibli Museum. It is super cute. I love it so much. It's like the perfect purple pink plaid ever, and I love it. It's freaking adorable. The ruffles at the top squeeze me. It's also nice and stretchy. Fantastic. I can just pull it over my head and boom, I'm dressed. It's great. I just think it's super cute. I mean, I will insert a picture of me wearing this because I love this dress so much. It's so freaking cute. I'm glad I found it. I knew I had a dress like this. I just couldn't remember where it was. And now I know. It's right here in my loving arms, so yay. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my WC sample sale haul. I also just want to point out again, I bought these last year. They've been sitting in my room. I just forgot about them, so hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little cheeky Japan haul from last year. I swear this is the last one and I haven't forgotten anything else. So yeah, anyways, I love you guys a lot and I will see you in the next video. Bye!